What I'm about to show you might be the most beautifully done G63 I've ever seen. A unique color, a beautiful interior, and a new interior feature that I've never seen in person before. This is easily the most luxurious spec that I have seen on a G63 in a long time. Now, it doesn't have the front bull bar on it right now because it's been removed for clear film installation. They are unable to properly install it with that bull bar on. So here's a good look at what happens when you take it off, right? And it is removable, although for the United States market, it is required to be there when the car is produced for safety reasons. But this is midnight blue non-metallic. This is a really beautiful color and kind of in the same vein of a China blue or an Arabian gray or desert sand. This is one of the non-metallic paints, but it has a very navy blue vibe, kind of like lunar blue. Now this car also has the spare tire cover painted in body color. So usually this would be chrome around the outside of the spare tire cover. Also went with the polished crosspoke wheels, which we're so used to seeing the black crossspokes now that you don't see these too often. No night package on this car. Just really classy and beautiful. I love it. But let me show you the interior because there is a showstopper feature to this interior, and this is a totally new package. So on the inside, we've got the platinum white interior, beautiful contrast stitching along the dash that you can see there. This is a manufacturer interior, but here's where it gets really interesting. This has got the new leather headliner, which is diamond stitched and runs along the top of the car all the way to the back. How beautiful is that? That is totally new. This is the first one that we've seen with it. And if you look close, the entire headliner is stitched very much like a Maybach would have. And leather grab handles, of course. This is one of our absolute very best VIP clients, and they really do it up when they get a new G-Wagon. So I just love the contrast stitching on the platinum white interior. Got the AMG door sills here. But that headliner is just unreal. I love it. What a cool contrast, and just that's the kind of attention to detail that I just really, really love. So let me know your thoughts. What do you think? How did he do on the specification? I love how unique this is. It's very different from what we're used to seeing. It even looks great without the bull bar on, but I do expect that he'll put it back. But I am very into this G. This is unique in a way that I have not seen in a long time.